Problem number 1. Mark is given two options. Either his salary is increased by a flat fee of $100 or by 5%. He chooses the second option. What can we infer about his salary? So let's mark X his current salary. And let's see what the two options represent. So the option A means that his salary would increase to X plus $100. The option B means that his salary increases by 5%. So his new salary would be X plus 5% of X, or to be explicit, X plus 0.05 times X. Now we know that he prefers the second option, from which we can infer that the second option leads to more money in his bank account. So X plus 0.05 X is bigger than option A, X plus 100. Now we can subtract X from both sides of the equation, which means 0.05 X is bigger than 100. Now 0.05 is 1 divided by 20, so we can multiply both sides of the equation by 20, which leads to X is bigger than 100 times 20, or X is bigger than $2,000. So we can infer that Mark's salary is currently more than $2,000. Problem number 2. We can buy a shirt in a local store for $25.50, or go to a neighboring town where each costs only $21.90. If one-way ticket costs $7, buying how many shirts does it make the trip worth it? Okay, so let's say we are buying X shirts. In the local store, we pay $25.50 for each shirt. And so we pay total $25.50 times X. And if we decide to go to the neighboring town, we first have to pay $21.90X, which is $21.90 for each shirt, and X is the number of shirts we are buying. And then we have to pay 2 times $7 because we have to go to the neighboring town and back. And the problem is asking us for which axis will be the trip more convenient. That means we will pay less money for the shirts in the second option. So we will start by subtracting $21.90X from both sides of the equation. So it's $25.50X minus $21.90X must be bigger than 2 times 7 is 14. Now $25.50 minus $21.90 is $3.60. So $3.60X must be bigger than 14. And X must be bigger than 14 over 3.6. Now this is roughly 3.9, so X must be bigger than 3.9, which means we need to buy at least 4 shirts to make it worth it going to the neighboring town and buying the shirts there.